So this is my husky mix, and he sheds a lot. And I already vacuumed a little bit of the house, but I'm going to show you how well it picks up pet hair. Just one slide of it. It's pretty powerful, like pretty good. You go back in to get those stubborn hairs.
Okay, so I just got this Bissell, and I've used it around. It's pretty good, and I wanted to see about these dog hairs. You can see that one, this one too. They get this dog hair on the bed. This one especially. The short hair is very difficult to get out. And I don't know if you can see, but there's lots of short hair. So let's give it a shot and see how this works. I don't know if you can see. It works pretty good. Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good at scaring her too. I gotta say, if you've got a short-haired dog and it has the kind of hair that tends to weave its way in the fabric, I would say this is a very good little vacuum. Hey, stop that. Yeah, I mean, nothing's going to be perfect, but this is about as good as it gets. Let's see. Yeah, that is really good. I am very, very happy with this little guy.
Absolutely nothing. Nothing. It's been used one time. One time. Nothing.
So that is dirt and hair and also scratched up. The filter is also filthy down there. Don't know what that wire is sticking out of there, but that can't be good. And here it is. This was the first thing that I saw. Super scratched up. All that hair from somebody else's home. Who knows where? All in there. So, scratched up here. Amazon? Bissell? Yes. Amazon, no.
Hi, Lulu.
Hi there. I've not made an Amazon video before, but I feel pretty passionate about these two items. So I bought the pet hair eraser, the Bissell eraser, and the Black & Decker fur buster because we have two small non-shedding dogs, but they track a lot of debris from outside walks through the woods. And I'm sure we do too. We're not a shoeless family, so we track a lot in. So I had 5 or 6 years ago bought a Bissell an older model, and it was just money down the toilet. It was a terrible product. So I was really hesitant to buy another Bissell, but we have these stairs and they are quite a bit of a project to vacuum with the vacuum. So I wanted to go with something that had a rotary head, and that was cordless. I am very, very pleased with the Bissell. I went up the right side with the Bissell, I went up the left side with the Black & Decker, and I actually emptied out their bins. Both were very simple to empty. I emptied out the bins and put them into, not now, and put them into these containers. So I don't know if it was just coincidence or not, but the Bissell trapped quite a bit more, probably double what the Black & Decker did. It could be because the railing's on the right side and people use it more. I'm not sure, but it was a powerful little vac. I'm really pleased. It did really well. The Black & Decker also did really well. I have not used all the attachments. They both have crevice tools. The Black & Decker has the capability to stand, which is really nice. If you want to store it in a hall closet, that would be really convenient. And also the Black & Decker, the Bissells, the Bissells have a different sort of structure where they seem to fluff up the carpet more because they are made for getting dog hairs in. And that would be really convenient if you have a shedding dog. We happen to have 2 small non-shedding dogs, but if you had a shedding dog, I would think that'd be really helpful. And it also does seem to fluff up matted carpet, whereas the Bissell has a traditional small roller, and it also worked really well. So I just wanted to help somebody else make an informed decision, because I know these things were sort of a waste of money just a few years ago, but it looks like they've come a long way. So if I had to choose a winner, just based upon these results, I would say the Bissell did better, but then I'm also not picking up dog hair. I'm just picking up the debris that they bring in. It looks like that Black & Decker would be really handy if you had a shedding dog. And they both did a really good job cleaning the staircase, which I am thrilled with. My life is so boring that actually is just really exciting news because these stairs have needed it for quite some time. So best of luck. Bye.